Alright, what is up, guys? This is the Robinhood Fiend. This is my first ever video on Robinhood, and I just want to talk about my portfolio, my strategies, the stocks I'm looking at. But I'm also looking for, like, if you guys have any advice or recommend any stocks for me, because I am just starting. Like, I've had this for a while, but I've recently, like, in the past 3 months, I've really been actively again because, I had the monetary ability to. So as you can see, I'll break it down in the last 3 months. We started at 125.03 and we've been steady climbing. Pretty good. And right here, this is where I had a really big sell-off. And then it dropped down, but then I rebought other stocks I had other in mind. And then, as you see, it's been pretty plentiful. The past month, it's around 60 buckaroos. The past week has been really, really good for me. 4.3% of my portfolio growth this week. And then the past day, 39. Okay, so now let's go back to the stocks I'm currently in right now. So I'm currently have Yeti, and I bought it at 29.58, 14 shares. Hopefully it climbs back a little bit more, just in case, but it's a really good stock. As you guys can see, the analytics rating is done above its expectations, and I do have a history with it. As you guys can see, just buying, selling it, pretty good stock. As you guys, I can show you the history. Really, it's a young company. They went public in 2018, but in the past year, been really good growth. So I hope that continues. And then the other one is Realty Income, which I had to buy because it was really low today, past week, the past 3 months. But it also has a really reputable history. 7 shares already made $1 off today. It's the bottom at 72.32. Analyst rating so, but as you guys can see, it's always done better than expected. Its earnings per share. As you guys can see, I haven't really done that much to it since today, because it is $71 and I am a broke college student. The next one is Stag Industrial, which I also bought today because today I had a really big sell-off because everything was really high today. So yeah. Then again, really good history on Stag, and it does have a 5.7 dividend yield percentage, so hopefully the analyst rating is really good for it too. And then again, always above its EPS. So yeah, next one is Altria. Altria is I think it's a cigarette company, yeah. But then again, but also steady growth in the past. But today, yeah, pretty good. I made 57 cents off today, and it has good dividends. And it's pretty good to hold, so I'll just see how that goes. And then today I bought American Eagle because it was really down as well. I bought it around here, but up 44 cents already. Dividend is good, that's always a plus. Rating pretty good, and it's not done horribly, but it does have surpassed its expectations on its EPS. And then again, I do have a history with so I do keep up to date in American Eagle. And then a risky one that was Fitbit. It went really low, so I got 25 shares of it. Always done good in IPS and analyst rating, so ideally I would rather hold on to this for a little bit and see if I can make a large gain somewhere else. I'll just wait for a big jump. And then we have electromechanical vehicles. This one I kind of bought into the hype, kind of, because it was like I don't know, it was offered like it was like advertised as a Tesla competitor, like it did. If we look at it, I think the past month right here, it got like super hyped up and it went like to 4. Yeah, it went to 489. I'm like, okay, maybe they have something, like the market cap is really low. I usually wouldn't mess with companies with this low market cap because the volatility is really high. But yeah, it's a Canadian company. hopefully, I've been holding on to this for a bit. Hopefully, you don't have to. And then this one, Prospect Capital. Uh, it's May. I don't really know why I bought it, but I don't know. So yeah, market capital pretty good, 2.7 billion, 11.4 dividend yield, and then the quarter three, as you can see, should be coming out soon, May 8th. But on the past ones, it's always done like right where it's expected or above. And then I do have a dividend waiting for me, or 6 cents. Pretty nice. So this is a good stock just to, I guess, just sleep on it basically. And then this one, I thought I was a penny stock guru, but no, I fucked up on this one. I bought it at 105. They do have yeah, a pretty good dividend for how much they're worth. So 10 cents per, I think, is it monthly? Let me check, let me check. No, it's not monthly. It's every 3 some months, but whatever. 30 cents for a 80-cent stock, that's really, really high dividend. And then the next one we have Karen. This one's another one that I thought was a penny stock guru. Cause I looked at the growth in the past 2 months, I'm okay. But overall, it's kind of eh. So hopefully I don't have to sit with this one for a while. This one, Neo, as well. Bought it into the hype. Cause it's been really high, but it's kind of struggling right now. But then again, it is yeah, it went public pretty recently. So hopefully, pretty mixed messages. Yeah. Next one is General Electric. This company has fucked me in the ass, but that's because of the fires. But it's all good. It's a government company, government contracted company, so shouldn't worry too much about that. Their dividend is really weird. It's only 1 cent, but that's because they are having they're still trying to fix the issues from the California wildfires. But before there was like a 12. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hold on to this till they recover. And I do have one Tesla stock because I am a hype beast. I mean, I've been reading up on Tesla, and I'm trying to hold on to this till the Roadster comes out. What is it, 2020? Hopefully that creates enough hype for it to jump over 300. So I'm gonna make a quick buck. But yeah, mixed ratings. Doesn't really matter. The EPS is pretty mixed as well. Only one share, because then again, I am broke. And then this one has fucked me in the ass pretty good. CenturyLink, you absolute twats. High dividend. This is sometimes the problem with high dividend stocks, that they don't really reinvest in the company for growth or anything, and this is what you've basically end up with. So I'm just holding it because in mind, to me, like, a loss isn't really a loss until you actually sell it. So I'm just gonna hopefully I don't take this loss, but pretty significant difference. This one, Plug Power, pretty small company, but I feel like there's room for growth. As you guys can see, pretty good buy rating. It's kind of slipping up in the fourth quarter, but in the first quarter it does have a big jump. So hopefully we see that into 2019 first quarter as well. Yeah. And then we have this one was, I think when I first ever started. Yeah, I can't really see much, but I bought it at $1 and it's gone. So yeah, this one a big up, but it's all good. And Ford out, this is on my watch list. I did have a lot of Ford stock. As you can see, I had like 892 shares, and I sold them all today. Look at 8. They were at 898, and I initially bought 54 at 875, and there was some, yeah, like at 11. This was years ago, but yeah, but I sold because it was really high. It jumped up today all of a sudden. Let me go back to it. Yeah, the past 3 months, the past year, but today had a big jump of 20 cents, so I had to jump on that. I mean, the dividend is good, but it's like only every 3 months, so I'd rather just make $10 today than $8 2 months in the future. So hopefully it drops down and I can buy in before the dividend deadline comes in. so I can still jump on that. Yeah, this is just the stocks I'm looking at today. Pretty good day today. And then again, you guys have any suggestions of what I should do, which stocks I should look at? Just drop it down. Yeah. All right. Later. This is the Robinhood fiend. See you guys on the next video.